This 5-minute solution will show you how to clear your search history automatically on Facebook. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to set up automatically clear search history on Facebook. Launch your Facebook app, tap on your profile photo, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Tap on Settings. Tap on Account Center. Here tap on Your Information and Permissions. Tap on Search History. Tap on Keep Searches For. And here you can select a time range to clear your search history automatically. So I'm selecting 3 days. Tap on Confirm. And that's how you can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.